Hello viewers, WhatsApp setting not showing problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp setting not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. After completing the update process, now find WhatsApp and long press on WhatsApp. Now go to app info. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop and force stop your WhatsApp. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. Now go to WhatsApp. Now click on three dot icon and look settings showing now. If you still don't see the settings, you will see a profile icon next to the three dot icon. Now just click on the profile icon to open settings. It's a new update in WhatsApp, but this update is not available to all users in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.